Greetings to all melanated people all around the world. It's really a joy. It's a blessing. It's an honor to be out here in nature and greeting you and bringing this wonderful message of joy, peace, emancipation to you. A message that will set you free from all mental slavery. And all I'm doing is teaching you how to look inwardly and how to understand that it's basically your thoughts that is creating your reality. And when you learn that it is your thoughts that is creating your reality, you will be able to create your reality consciously. That's the reason why I want to speak to you concerning the law of action. And if you're going to understand the law of action, I have to show you some of the error of the theologians and what they would have taught you concerning faith and why many of you have been in religion, especially in Christianity, and haven't been seeing anything working for you. For example, you're told that you shall be above and not beneath, you shall be the head and not the tail, you shall be the lender and not the borrower, and so on. And you're not seeing these things happening in your life because they refuse to teach you that the Bible addresses the human mind and must be interpreted psychologically. That the Bible is not literal, neither is the Bible secular history, and that the Bible is written symbolically. And everything in the Bible have to do with the human psyche. It's all about the human imagination, which is the creator in man. That's the central theme of the Bible. Therefore, whenever you've been impressed with a strong desire, until you put action to that desire, you will never get any results. That's the reason why the Bible tells you in the book of James that you must not just be a hearer, deceiving yourself. He says you mustn't be like the man who behold his image in the mirror and walk away and forget what manner of man he is. So when you become a hearer, just feeding on the theory alone, you're actually deceiving yourself. And when you deceive yourself, anyone who's not as deceived as you will think that they are deceived. But my brother and my sisters, everything in this world came about because there was a thought, then there was action to back up the thought, then you have the manifestation. So if you're going to tell me about the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, and you're going to tell me you're a child of God, you should be able to create. And you should be able to create your reality consciously. Therefore, it means that you are missing the mark. And sin is missing the mark. So it means you're just a talker. You're not a true believer. Because when you really believe, you come to know that when you believe in God, you actually believe in yourself. And to believe in God is to believe in yourself. And when you believe that when you believe in God is to believe in yourself, and when you put trust in God is to trust your own human imagination, then you would be more mindful of when you get a thought, not to procrastinate, but to take action right away. I have a book home called The Power of Urgency. And this is how you have to understand how urgent you are to be. When you get a thought, when you get an idea, when you've been seeking for something in your life, and it is right there staring you, even though it is as small as a mustard seed. That's the reason why the Bible tells you your faith must be as small as a mustard seed. So whenever you're seeking for something and you use the law of action, You have to realize that you are the sower who's sowing a seed. So if you're sowing a seed, you can't hold the seed in your hand and still expect to reap a harvest. You have to release the seed. You have to let go the seed. It is only until you let go the seed that the Bible tells you, unless a corn of wheat fall in the ground and dies, it abides alone. But if it dies, it brings forth much fruit. My brother and my sisters, when you use the law of action and you impress upon your subconscious mind that which you desire to manifest, as long as you impress that upon the subconscious mind, nothing in this world can stop you from having your desire being fulfilled. All because you use the law of action. So many times, people will hear a message like this and they will want to comment to show that they have knowledge just the same. To some, it might just be a good message. But there are others who would say to themselves, what good would it be spending time listening to this man and not putting what he's saying in action, putting it to work? So at this moment, I'm going to remind you that, as usual, I always encourage you to go to bed more consciously, to know what is your desire and be definite about your desire, about what you want, and how you could script it by writing it down. And before you go to bed and fall asleep, go into your imagination and see things through your mind's eye, through the eye of imagination, and see yourself having and being and doing that which you so desire, and fall asleep in the assumption that it is so, and reap the harvest. Of your magical intention by putting action. So if you wanna activate the magical side of your being, you have to apply this law, the law of action. Thus, the reason why the law of action is a universal law that the universe is governed by. And you can't break that law. You can't get nothing if you doesn't put action. That's the reason why the Bible tells you, you have not because you ask not. Because even the asking is action. Sometimes the action might be so simple. It could be as simple as an assumption. So my brothers and my sisters, it is so simple. All you need is a desire. And believe you have that which you desire. So even by an assumption, you can manifest your reality consciously. That's the reason why now you have to be more aware and more careful of your thoughts and watch them more carefully, so you would see when the law of action brings you a manifestation. Because the key I want to give to you is to understand that you are a magical being. Time to use your magical power, because your word is your one. So with that being said, my brothers and my sisters, I want to thank you very much, and I want to encourage you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. And even if you have subscribed already, I'm encouraging you to encourage someone else to get onto this channel and to subscribe. And if you're going to encourage them, you got to be excited about the things that you're getting on this channel, and you have to be excited about the things you've been putting to work in your life by going to bed more consciously every night and going with your desire and seeing it being fulfilled and sharing the joy. Say, look man, I meet this man and YouTube Black Mad Guru, and he said to do this and said to do that, and I've been doing these things and I see a change in my life. So when you put action to work, then you'll get results. And hear this, results don't tell lies. Results don't tell lies. That's why when religious people try to challenge me, I know the things that would have manifested already. And I know that evidence don't tell lie. Results don't tell lie. So yes, my brother, my sisters, feel free to comment, feel free to like and share this video all over the place. Share this video all over the place with as much people as possible that you can share this video with. As usual, I always give you the sign of enlightenment, of which Matthew 6:22 tells you, if your eye be single, your whole body will be full of light. Thus, I'm giving you the single eye symbol of self-realization. Because when you have this experience, my brother and my sisters, you bust your crown chakra and you come to realize that it is the rising of the S-U-N in a S-O-N, and that it is the dawning of a new day in your life, and that without the sun there is no life and there is no light, and without the human imagination there isn't anything made that was made, and that the sun parallels the human imagination and the human imagination parallels the sun, and all of humanity are the people of the sun. Therefore, my brother and my sisters, let us use our mind power to achieve our every desire. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you. Remember to put what I'm saying in action.